Hello YouTube, this is Jerry D from Tennessee. Let's talk about a stock today. EEENF, 88 Energy Ltd. There's a lot of stuff going on Twitter. So there's been some chatter this week and I'm not really sure what that means. Let's go back to this, go to the main scene here. So this is an oil company. Okay, but they're Australian owned. So, So when you get over here, you don't see any disclosures about the company. And it's probably because it's an Australian stock. There's no financials or anything. So, news. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure how these foreign stocks work, but it is traded in the United States. I am in this stock, and here's their website, 88 Energy. So they are currently in Alaska. Okay, they've got some wells in Alaska. First quarter 2021, and they're drilling for oil. So this is an oil company. Right now the stock's fairly cheap. Just under 2 cents a share. 10185. So, but there was some, I don't know, somebody started something on Twitter about there was a stock dilution. But now this one fellow that I'm following on Twitter, Poke Stonks Trainer, he went out, did the due diligence, did research about what people were tweeting about, and he made a tweet, dilution concerns addressed. So according to Australian guidelines, the way they could do their stocks, ASX listing rules under the Corporations Act state that the ASX company can raise capital but not at the expense of unfairly diluting shareholders. Thus, a maximum of 15% increase, and I'm assuming that's share increase, is allowed per every 12 months period. So once a year they can dilute the shares a little bit. They can increase the number of shares. This is a corporate right. And here he goes down and he shows snapshots of the actual listing. So, actually, let's do this too. Oh, I'm sorry, I've got it up. So I went and looked this information up myself because I wanted to see for myself. And yes, you can go and download the rules. And there is a 15% limit on placements of equity securities without security holder approval. They require to let the stockholders vote on the dilution as well. So there has to be a majority vote. So yes, this guy's tweeting the truth. This is an official document. I'll link it in the video below if somebody wants to download it and read it yourself. It's kind of boring reading, but maybe it's something you want to know if you're going to invest in these kind of stocks. Considering this is not a U.S.-based company. They are operating in U.S. territory, though. So, and I imagine my thoughts is with this this pipeline business on the East Coast. We're already seeing where gas stations are limiting, here in East Tennessee anyway, are limiting how much gas you can purchase. There's rumors about maybe gas going up because of this pipeline thing going on. It's been in the news. this pipeline hack. I don't know how you can hack a pipeline. Seems like it would still be operational. The only thing I would think you could hack would be monitoring computers as monitoring the flow through the pipes or something. I think there's a lot of manual controls through this kind of stuff. So I'm not sure. That's just my thoughts anyway. But it's kind of weird that they could get hacked and stop the flow. I think the pipelines are actually fluctuating. It may be monitoring equipment that's been hacked that's on a network that was open to the internet. And I don't know why you would open up something to the internet. I would think you would put it behind a VPN or in a firewall to prevent people from getting in. But it could be somebody that had access, had a computer hacked or something. Who knows? Anyway, so I'm digressing. But again, this information actually does exist, and this is an actual rule regarding Aussie securities. So again, I'm going to put this link below the video. So there's also a rumor about a takeover. And they do mention on their website, again, if you go to OTC Markets News, you see no news. You see no news, and it's kind of interesting. I mean, do you have the profile and information about it? I made a previous video where I've talked about this company a little bit before. So, and I still have faith in this company. There's a lot of people talking about their drilling. The website states, if you go to their operations, Aswan, Alaska, Paraguay, Alaska, and the Yukon, Alaska. So they've got leases to do drilling in Alaska and drill for oil. So I'm still in this stock. I want to be in this stock for a while. I'm holding this long. And I don't know if, as far as a takeover is going on, looks like they posted that they recently acquired via off-market takeover. So they didn't list any news saying they were going to do this. Of XCD Energy Ltd, and they did this to get into this area to drill. Okay, apparently, from what I understand, this company had access to Paraguay. I hope I said that right. Alaska, so they could drill. So their US $10 million farm out completed post XCD acquisition, drilling to commence March 2021, and it is currently May 2021. So they're up there, they're operating. I don't know that they're full blown. They haven't released information. They're on Twitter, so you can go out and check them on Twitter. They got a Facebook group. Says Google Plus. I thought Google Plus went away. You might have to have a corporate account to get into Google Plus now. I think it's only a private. My employer has a Google Plus account, but it's for the university staff to use and share files. So Google Plus may be private now. This might be an old link. This may give you access if you have an account on Google Plus. So I don't know. I've not tried it. I'm not going to try it online because I'm just not. I don't expect I to have any access on anything right now. If I may try it later off video and see what happens, but I don't want to waste your time trying to jump through hoops to see if I can gain access if I don't have access to something. They're also on LinkedIn. You can check them out on LinkedIn. So there's all the information. 88energy.com. Again, I'm still in this stock. Stock dilution is a right of the company, but only 15% of the shares can be diluted. So there you go. That's where we are. I'm still in this company. I believe in this company, and I'm waiting to see, waiting for more news on these projects where they're drilling for oil in Alaska, and see where that goes. I have a small position, and I'm going to hold that small position. But anyway, thank you for checking out my channel, and love for you to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Click the like button, and that'll help the channel, push the channel out among other stock traders that may be interested in watching my videos, might be interested in some of the stocks I'm talking about. And click the notification bell, and you'll be alerted when I post another video. So anyway, that's what I have on 88 Energy, and I hope you've had a good week so far. I hope it started out to a good week, and I hope this is a good profitable week. Again, I am not a stock advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an old man in Tennessee, Jerry D in Tennessee, talking about stocks. That's who I am. And please trade smart, trade scared. Do not invest any more money that you can stand to lose, because you can lose money in the stock market. But again, if you use your head and you do your research and look at these stocks, you can make some money as well. But keep your lights on, roof above your head, you know, all that good stuff. Anyway, I hope everybody has a good night. Thank you for visiting my video, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Hey, thanks for coming by. Glad you checked out the video. Hope you liked it. If you like it, please click on the like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you, and I hope you have a good day. Bye. Bella's got to be right up under me, don't you, Bella? Oh my word. Cloudy day, looks like it may rain. Clouds out over the valley. East Tennessee Valley. And Bella, she's just happy to be around.